Well, hello, boys and girls. My name's Mulan. And today I'm going to read Don't Let the Pigeon Stay Up Late. Words and pictures by Mo Williams. Let's get started. Okay, here we go. Oh, good. It's you. Listen, it's getting late and I need to brush my teeth. Can you do me a favor? Don't let the pigeon stay up late. Thanks. First of all, I'm not even tired. In fact, I'm in the mood for a hot dog party. What do you say? No? I hear there's a good show about birds on TV tonight. Should be very educational. How about 5 more minutes? Come on, what's 5 minutes in the grand scheme of things? Yawn. What? I'm not tired! You know, we never get to talk anymore. Tell me about your day. Oh, I've got a great idea. We could count the stars. Can I have a glass of water? Studies show that pigeons hardly need any sleep at all. Hey, ho, this here pigeon just won't go. Please. It's the middle of the day in China. I'll go to bed early tomorrow night instead. My bunny wants to stay up too. You can't say no to a bunny, can you? Yawn! Okay, that was not a yawn. I was stretching. I'm 110% awake. You haven't heard the last of me. Great work. Thanks. Good night. Whoa, I'm a little tired. That's a good story. Guess I'll see you guys next time on Story with Mulan.